Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the figure below shows a cylinder with a radius of 12.8 feet and a height of h feet. Which equation can be used to determine B, the volume of the cylinder in cubic feet? Okay, so we're looking for what? Yes, we're looking for a way for you to set it up, which is an equation, to find the volume of the cylinder, right? So let's look at the numbers that are given to you. I do see the h, which is right here. This is your height. There's no number, right? Okay, but it has the h for the height. What about 12.8? What is 12.8? Well, notice how it's only from here to here. Therefore, we can tell that that's going to be the radius. Is that right? Okay, so what about the formula for volume? Do we know it by now? Hopefully, not yet. It's okay. We got it right here. So we have B equals capital B times H. So I know what you're saying, Miss. I know the H. It's right there. No number, but I can identify that. What about the capital B, Miss? What is that for? Anybody remembers what the capital B stands for? Yes, capital B is actually the what? Area of the base. Very good. Let's write it down. Now, what kind of bases do I have? Okay, a cylinder has the base of a circle. Very good. So let's write it down. Now, I tell my students to kind of think about, forget about the base, and now we're going to say, find the formula for area of a circle, right? That makes more sense. So the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back and we're going to replace my capital B with this that is here, right? Because that's what it says. It says that B is equals to that. So I'm going to come back to my formula and I'm going to say B equals pi radius squared times the height. Okay, so this height is the one that I have up there. And all of this is replacing my capital B. Got it? Okay, what about if we replace some values here? Okay, so the pi, I'm going to leave it alone. What's the radius? Oh, it's 12.8, and I'm going to raise it to the second power, right? Or square. And then I'm going to have the h, which I don't have a value for that, but I'm just going to leave it as an h. So look at the answer choices. Could letter A be an answer? No, because look what they're doing. They're raising all of this to the second power. And what is the only thing that is being raised to the second power? Just the radius, right? So no, A cannot be right. What about B? It looks exactly like our answer, right? Awesome. So it looks like B is the answer for that. But let's check why not letter C. Oh, look at what they're doing with the h. It says h squared. Am I raising h to the second power? No, I'm raising 12.8 to the second power. What about D? 6.4 to the second power. Nope. Where did they get the number from though? I have no idea. Oh, I think I know. I think they divided 12.8 divided by 2. But we don't do that. That's already my radius. That's not diameter. Okay, so that's what is wrong with D. So my answer, it is going to be letter B. Very good. And it looks exactly like our answer right there. Is that right? Awesome.